Welcome to members to TED Talks. I'm still Mgwanya Simon with you for biology, and we are still looking at chemicals of life. We have moved to another chemical of life, lipids. So what are the lipids? Remember our query when you're looking at this, you're looking at chemicals of life. So a major worry will be there. What do they do in living systems? So lipids are organic, we call them organic, they are organic nutrients, organic compounds, made up of carbon atoms, oxygen atoms, and hydrogen atoms. Like carbohydrates, if we recall very well, carbohydrates were containing the same atoms, but where is the difference between lipids and the carbohydrates? They differ from carbohydrates by proportions, and this is going to be very key in the distinction between lipids and the carbohydrates. Their difference is in proportions of atoms. Atoms are different from one another. The quantity that is within. So let's look at content of lipids. Content of lipids. You can say that lipids consist of one glycerol molecule. They consist of one glycerol molecule and 3 fatty acids. One glycerol molecule and 3 fatty acids, to form a structure. To form a structure collectively called a triglyceride. Form a structure that is called a triglyceride, and so we can now say the 3 fatty acids link to one glycerol molecule via Ester bonds. Via Ester bonds. So you can look at the structure of a fatty acid. Fatty acids consist of an alkyl group, and the functional group of carboxylic acids. So collectively, fatty acids are carboxylic acids. Then the structure of a glycerol. Structure of a glycerol. How do glycerol molecules look like? Glycerol molecules are alcohols of this nature. It is an alcohol. It is an alcohol of this nature. That's a glycerol. The IUPAC name would be very interesting. We would even say 1, 2, 3 trihydroxy propane, 3 carbon atoms. That is 1, 2, 3. So it would be 1, 2, 3 trihydroxy propane. But biologically, we refer to it as a glycerol molecule. It is an alcohol. So how does a triglyceride look like? So that we can now see how lipids look like. How does a triglyceride look like? How does a triglyceride look like? How does a triglyceride look like? I've said a triglyceride has an ester bond. Ester bonds are like that. So that would be this. Would be the backer bond, a glycerol backer bond. This would be the carboxylic end of the fatty acid. You can find when the fatty acid is present from one triglyceride to another is different. That's why you have different lipids, as we are going to discuss in a subsequent lessons. So it means if we are to name this triglyceride molecule, this from here up to there would be called our ester bond. That would be the ester bond. This would be the fatty acid chain. Fatty acid chain. This would be a glycerol backer bond. So it means all triglycerides consist of 3 fatty acid molecules and therefore 3 ester bonds and 1 glycerol. So in our subsequent lessons, we're going to discuss formation of a triglyceride. We go further to discuss types of fatty acids. That will be in our subsequent lessons.